Hello everyone. So welcome to my channel. Today I have a very special guest with me, who is a very good friend of mine, and she is literally very hardworking, which I witnessed myself. Currently, she is going to complete her MDS degree, and today she is here to guide those who are preparing for NEET MDS exam. So please do welcome our special guest, that is Dr. Kanupriya Pandey. Hi, Kanu.
Hi, Tarannum. Hi, everyone. Hello. It's an honor to be on your channel.
So first of
Thank
all,
you.
congratulations, as you are going to complete your NEET MDS.
Thank you
You
so
are
much.
doing from public health dentistry. So please
Yes.
kindly tell our viewers about yourself.
So, hello everyone. My name is Dr. Kanupriya Pandey. I'm a third year PG and I'm pursuing MDS in public health dentistry from Postgraduate Institute of Dental Sciences, PGIDS, Rohtak. I've done my BDS from Jamia Millia Islamia. I and Tarannum, we both were batchmates and also study buddies during PG preparation. So, hello. That's all from my side. Yeah, and I completed my BDS in 2020 and joined MDS in 2023. Yeah.
So Dr. Kanupriya is a very good friend of mine, and she has always motivated me also in my preparation phase when I was preparing for competitive exams. So I know that she is the best person to guide those who are preparing, who are demotivated, who think that they are not able to just make in exams. I think today's video is for those, and they must watch full video. So let us start this session. So Kanu, tell me, what was your first reaction after you saw your result of NEET MDS 2023?
So, of course, so what happened? I was shopping with my mother, and I saw some like 7, 8 missed calls from my friends, and then I got to know that okay, I got an idea that okay, result is out. I was very nervous. Then I saw my result. I was happy that okay, finally, the thing I've prepared for and the results are out, and I'm gonna take admission this year. So I was happy. I expected a little bit higher rank, but okay, I was happy. So I was like, finally, the preparation phase is over, and I can move forward. Of course.
Okay. So did you expect the result? What was it expected कि हाँ इस अब तो हो ही जाना है?
Yes, so since the day I started preparing, I wanted my results to be like that only. मुझे करना था कि नहीं करना है इस बार तो करना है. वो expectations की नहीं थी कि क्या नहीं होगा तो क्या होगा. I knew that I had to secure a safe rank and had to get admission anyhow this time. So yes, and it's somewhere in my mind I had the idea that I will be able to get a good rank.
Okay. So did you always wanted to prepare for NEET MDS, or were you confused after BDS कि क्या करना है अब? Or was it
No, no.
always like you didn't have you had to do it? Like you were
No, I always knew that I will be preparing for PG exams and I will be doing masters. And I had that in my mind since day one. I was never confused.
okay. So now let's talk about the preparation strategy.
Yes.
So when exactly did you start your serious preparation? Like preparation तो हम बहुत पहले से कर रहे होते हैं, but एक होता है कि यार इस टाइम से हमने seriously हमने एक routine setup करके preparation start की. What was exactly your time?
During my internship days, I started preparing very seriously. Since my internship, even before the internship started, so if you remember, it was COVID time, and just after we got finished with our exams, I took admission and I started preparing from December 2020, just right after our exams. So yeah, in the internship time, before internship, you can say.
So did you join any coaching or you did self-study? What did you follow first?
No, I joined a coaching, also a test series. I joined DAMS, and also I took a series test series. So both the things I did.
So, okay. How many revisions did you complete before exam? Normally, students are confused if they revisions करने चाहिए. So, how many revisions did you do?
I think more than 7 to 8 times I revised the entire syllabus. 7 to 8 times, yeah.
Okay, 7 to 8
I did
times.
revision. Yes.
And which books did you prefer for your preparation?
Um, Pulse. I studied from Pulse.
Okay, the Bible. The
The
Bible
Bible
for
of the NEET
yes.
MDS.
Yes.
Yeah, it was Pulse and my notes.
Okay. So, when did you finish your
Yes.
first reading? Like, how much time does it take for one reading of Dental Pulse plus your notes?
Oh, so I remember clearly first revision took some time. I think so. I started preparing from internship, and I also took 1 year drop. So if we consider that part also, so it took around for the first time it took me I guess 4 to 5 months to complete the entire all the subjects of medical side and dental side, and then subsequent revision second and third time also maybe 3 4 months. But then later revisions they were very quick because I was more focused on MCQs. But because in the first time we properly study everything notes, and we move according to the coaching. So yeah, first revision took some time. Yeah.
Okay. So according to you, what is more important, notes or MCQs, or MCQ based notes reading? We should
I
start
would say
first with
MCQ.
MCQ.
Nee, so of course you have to read. So you have to read the subject also. You have to read the matter, but you don't always think like that. That every revision I will be first reading the notes and then I'll be going through the MCQs. No, once you have read the notes, you have read the notes. Next time or subsequent revisions, you try to focus on MCQs, and then you see what all mistakes you guys are doing, and then do the retrograde revision. Right? You cannot, because imagine just before your exams, 1 week before exams, or maybe one night before exams, you can't read the entire syllabus. It's a huge and vast syllabus. So you got to train your mind in such a way that your mind sees the question and remembers the answer, not the other way around. So of course it should be MCQ based approach, retrograde study. Once you are done with the reading, yeah, you won't be able to finish your syllabus every time. It is impossible. So some things will be left. So don't be worried about those things that I couldn't theoretically complete it. There are so many things. You have to do questions, and then with the help of questions you will be able to cover those aspects.
Yes, exactly. So how many MCQs per day are good enough for consistent preparation? पर डे स्टार्टिंग में हम किससे कितना स्टार्ट करें और फिर कितना हमें डेली करना चाहिए?
ये थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजिंग है. आई डोंट हैव एनी लाइक एग्जैक्ट फिगर, बट वंस you are thorough with everything, I think once you have that flow, minimum 200-300 questions a day, or maybe you can say like one test paper consisting of 240 questions. तो एक पेपर भी सॉल्व कर लो, 2 पेपर भी सॉल्व कर लो. So like that minimum.
Okay, for
Yeah.
practice purpose.
Yeah.
So, did you make your own notes or coaching notes? So I think
No, coaching notes. I actually joined a coaching because to reduce that part of my effort, I followed the coaching notes, and I made sure that if the thing is present in the note, I should not do it wrong. It should not be wrong in my exams, you know. So I followed coaching notes.
okay. What subjects should be completed first? What are the sequence medical subjects first or dental subjects first? What are the sequence in which we should do the subject wise revision?
I followed the sequence in which the coaching or the test series were happening. So they didn't follow exact pattern like dental and then medical. But if you ask me my self revision or my self study, I first mastered the dental subjects, and side by side I was also, so if I used to study prosto, then side by side I used to thoda sa like I used to see medicine also while my revisions. But I actually followed the sequence according to the coaching because I thought it was a better planned way, and otherwise it would have been haphazard for me. If you ask me, you should master the dental subjects, but don't leave medicine subject for the end, medical side subject for the end. Try side by side because they're also very important. 100 questions from them, they come.
Let me ask you some questions regarding revision and test series. So, which test series did you join? Coaching to theek hai, but did you join in extra test series? For
Yes,
which
series I joined. Only one I took series.
Okay. So, how did you analyze mock test properly?
Yeah. So, everybody, and of course me also, initially when I was not so initial preparation, when I used to see my rank and I used to get nervous, but then eventually I realized that I should see. So they also provide you the accuracy of your test, like how many questions were right, how many questions were wrong. So like in the starting, don't be nervous about your rank, just see the accuracy of your answers. I used to try that the negatives should go down or decrease, and it should be under 40%. So I used to realize like that.
So last 1 month strategy before exam. What was your last 1 month strategy?
full on test papers, give test series, previous year questions करते चलो, लगाते चलो, and जो भी गलत हो रहा है उससे फिर नोट्स में जाओ. डेटाबेस क्वेश्चंस जो just थोड़ा सा रटने वाला होता है उनको एक बार देख लिया, ज़्यादा उसको भी रटने की कोशिश नहीं करनी, बट जस्ट हाँ देख लिया एक बार. और जितने क्वेश्चंस लगा सकते हो लगाओ. एंड के 3 to 1 months आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. उसमें जितने पॉसिबल क्वेश्चंस है वैसे रिवाइज करो. और अगर लग रहा है कि कुछ कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं आ रहा है, देन यू कैन गो एंड see the theoretical part, but don't waste time on theory. Just as many as questions, as many times you can revise pearls, or and some database questions or some questions that we tend to forget. You can focus on that also. But previous year questions and MCQs most important.
Okay, so last month is only for MCQ.
And give test series also.
Yes, test
Forget about
series.
the rank. Keep giving test series. कभी कभी अच्छी प्रिपरेशन में भी नहीं आएगा रैंक, बट इससे डिसहार्टन नहीं होना है. टेस्ट सीरीज वेरी वाइटल, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. It will boost your confidence, and not just about the confidence, because while you're giving the it will replicate the moment when you're giving the exam in real time. So it will increase your speed. It will increase the thinking time. So it will simulate the exam time. So that is also it is very important to give the test series.
About the day of exam. So how many questions did you attempt, or should we attempt for getting an ideal government college?
Ideally, so 240 by 240. कम attempt नहीं करना है, attempt ज़्यादा करना है. I think I attempted around I think 235 or 236 questions I myself attempted, but attempt maximum, take risk, and if I'm saying that if you repeatedly revise, the confidence will come automatically. So attempt maximum questions, कम questions नहीं छोड़ के नहीं आने हैं. जितना कर सकते हो उतना attempt करो. ये तो है. मेरे कोचिंग ने भी मुझे ये बोला था कि maximum question attempt करने हैं.
How did you did your time management during exam?
So I started with dental section. I completed because I knew that if I'll complete 120 questions of dental side first, I'll get an edge, I'll get that time, and I'll get the confidence. So I started doing question by question, and I didn't overthink. I read the question, I knew the answer. I was having that much of confidence by the time. So I just started doing it. And if at all I was getting confused, I didn't waste much time. I skipped it. I went to the next part. I then completed section A. Then again went to section A, first question, saw it again, and after 5 minutes, 2 through 3 minutes, I started section B. And by the time, I think I finished around 20 minutes before the time. So I had the time to go for section A and section B. And I think if you evaluate, you have less than 30 seconds to read the question and to answer, and then to move on. So I had that in my mind. I was constantly timing myself up, and that is how I did it. So you don't have to think, you have to act. It's not about thinking, unless and until it's a question, you're confused, you're getting confused. Just give it some time, go to the next question, come back around.
Okay. So the next question is also, I think, related to the answer which you gave now. How to control panic or anxiety in exam? Because most of the time we are nervous initially, very nervous. First time to exam, they're very nervous.
Yeah.
So how do we control this?
So first of all, being nervous is normal. इसमें कुछ ऐसी बुरी बात नहीं है. But you should know how to control your nervousness and anxiety, so that you don't get you don't deviate yourself to a different situation after all. So I also got nervous few times. So what I did, I just close my eyes, take a deep breath. I thought, okay, it's not coming to me right now. I'll move on to next question, and I'll definitely get some time. I'll come back. If I had stuck to that question, I would have gone to a different path. I would have gotten more anxious, more nervous. I would have overthought. So yeah, just take a deep breath. Keep water with you. Take a sip of water, and then continue. Remind yourself that it's my exam. I should not be nervous. It's time to act. If I get nervous, I'll go to a different track, and the entire thing will collapse. So remind yourself, mindfulness should be there.
Exactly. You cannot just take the risk of you whole year of preparation and one day. So that one day is very important.
Exactly. Very important. That moment you have to be aware of yourself. And a very important time. Those 3 hours. You can't let them waste.
So during the time of preparation, we usually get very burnout. So did you also feel like that, or things are normal?
You know that you were there awful amount of time. Oh my God, I can't even imagine a number of times I'd break down, and you remember you were there. So yeah, it's very normal, but again, you need to come out of that. You don't need to get down that path, because एक बार चले जाओ तो तुम चले ही जाते हो, but वापस आना चाहिए. लोगों से बात करो, फ्रेंड से बात करो. We used to talk a lot, है ना. सीनियर से बात करो, and बात करने से अच्छा होता है वो वापस, and नेगेटिव लोगों से दूर रहो. That was my motto.
Yeah, that's our motto. You cannot take the risk One person comes and says you, oh, you're getting this, you're not getting good in your test. Oh, okay. So you don't take the risk because already you are in a state where you have to motivate yourself. So you cannot take the
Yes,
risk of demotivating
exactly.
yourself. So just keep yourself
Be with
away from.
be with the people who will motivate you, who will transfer positive energy rather than depressing you with along with them. Sometimes people don't realize, but sometimes
Hmm.
people do that जानबूझ के. So just बात करो, burnout में तो होना बहुत normal है. Go for a walk, watch a movie, है ना? But come back. Don't fall into that trap and going on to that trap again and again. And
Okay.
it's very normal. Burnout तो होना ही होता है.
Okay, how do we stay consistent daily? एक ही चीज को बार बार consistency कैसे maintain करना?
प्रिपरेशन इज अ कमिटमेंट. आप इतने मैच्योर होने चाहिए कि आपको इस बात का रियलाइजेशन होना चाहिए कि जिस एग्जाम के लिए आप प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो, इट्स इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर योर लाइफ. एंड विद द मेच्योरिटी कंसिस्टेंसी आती है. बहुत बार मन नहीं करता है कि अरे यार छोड़ देते हैं, लेकिन नहीं, ऐसा नहीं करना है. फॉर मी कंसिस्टेंसी केम बाय गोइंग टू लाइब्रेरी ऑफ कोर्स एवरी डे, एंड वी मेड श्योर दैट वी कम ऑन टाइम और एटलीस्ट कम. ठीक है, जरूरी नहीं है कि आप रोज कंसिस्टेंट रहो. कभी कभी आगे पीछे होता है, कभी कभी फिजिकली यू गेट इल, सिक. मैं भी हुई थी, मेंटली भी. बट I think for me, studying with you being my study buddy, made it very easier. Internship में I used to study alone, so consistency थोड़ी कम ज़्यादा थी, plus college था. But drop year में तो you really helped me to be consistent and to be on
Same
track.
here.
हाँ, तो आउट ऑफ कंफर्ट जोन आना ही पड़ता है. रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी के साथ ये सारी चीज़ें रियलाइजेशन होनी चाहिए कि आप कितनी सारी चीज़ें डिपेंड करती है आप पे. एंड एक जस्ट नीट के बाद जो आपकी लाइफ होती है वो मोटिवेशन, बस एक एग्जाम देना एंड देन यू आर फ्री. तो वो सारी चीज़ें कंसिस्टेंसी लानी पड़ती है, और वो नहीं आती है बट लानी पड़ती है.
Did you use social media during the time of preparation?
No, I uninstalled my Instagram. It was time wasting, and sorry, I was on total social media abstinence.
So one last advice which you would like to give to those who are preparing for NEET's MDS, particularly the freshers, what would be your advice to them?
वैसे तो सबको पता होता है, लेकिन आई वुड से कि प्रिपेयर फॉर नीट. एक बार नीट को जरूर दो एंड डिसाइड कर लो. अगर आपको पीजी करनी है तो डिसाइड करो, नहीं करनी है तो नहीं करो. एक बार आप ये वाला पार्ट क्लियर है, इफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज क्लियर, एंड इफ यू डिसाइडिंग टू गो फॉर नीट, देन स्टार्ट प्रिपेयरिंग एट द अर्लीस्ट. मैंने इंटर्नशिप से प्रिपरेशन की, तब जाके मैं और अच्छे से कर पाई अपने ड्रॉप ईयर में. एंड मेरे बहुत सारे बैचमेट्स ने इंटर्नशिप में निकाला है, सो इट्स नॉट इम्पॉसिबल. रिमेंबर, क्रैकिंग नीट पीजी विद गुड रैंक इज नॉट इम्पॉसिबल. डोंट बी हार्ड ऑन योरसेल्फ मच. स्टार्ट प्रिपेयरिंग एट द अर्लीस्ट. इंटर्नशिप से ही प्रिपेयर करो, आई वुड से. थोड़ा सा सेक्रीफाइस लाइफ में करना पड़ता है. 1 या 2 बार लाइफ में एक ऐसा टर्न आता है कि टू बी कंफर्टेबल फॉर रेस्ट ऑफ योर लाइफ यू हैव टू मेक सम सेक्रीफाइसेस. डू दैट एंड वर्क हार्ड, वर्क स्मार्ट. यू विल बर्न आउट फॉर श्योर, बट आई थिंक यू आर ब्रेव इनफ टू कम आउट ऑफ दैट. एंड एक बार अगर जब हो जाएगा ना, फिर वो जो खुशी होती है, इट्स अनकम्पेरेबल. तो रिमेंबर कि जब तुम्हारा हो जाएगा तब कितना अच्छा होगा.
Yes, I think yes, you are explaining very nicely to our viewers, and I think
Right.
this will be very helpful to those who are preparing for exam. And thank you so much, Dr. Kanupriya
Thank
Pandey,
you.
for giving your time to our viewers, and all the best. And I just love your background pictures and
Thank you so much for having me. But I would say, and I actually say to all my juniors here also, I always mention you, because if you were not there with me during that point of time, it was not possible. I studied alone in internship, but during my drop year I prepared with you, and it was an awesome experience. We forced each other, motivated each other, and एक दूसरे को मतलब we had each other's back, and we are good friends. And you doing so well makes me happy. I'm having goosebumps. We have seen each other depressed. We know each other's deep secrets, है ना. So कि अगर सेम वाइब का कोई स्टडी पार्टनर मिल जाए तो बहुत इजी. एक्चुअली टेल दिस टू पीपल कि यार इतना अच्छा प्राउड फील होता है एक दूसरे पे. तुम पे बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि we both have
because
so
we
well in our
also
life.
motivate each other. So thank you so much, Kanupriya Pandey, for coming
and guiding our viewers for NEET MDS preparation. Thank you so much again.